Today, I'm going to show you how to install your radar detector by tapping into the power coming from your rearview mirror. We just upgraded to the UNIDEN R8 from the R7. Let me tell you why. First of all, the R8 has an auto sensitivity mode that switches between city and highway settings based on your driving speed. Pretty convenient. The R8 also has a better detection range, meaning it will catch radar sources sooner, and therefore you'll get notifications earlier. Finally, and most importantly, the R8 also detects GATSO radar, which is used by the latest speed cameras that are popping up everywhere. These days, there's also mobile GATSO radar units. These are units that police can tow to a specific location, place it there for the day. If the units detect that you're going over the speed limit, they snap a picture and mail you a ticket. How convenient. The main reason I invested in the UNIDEN R8 is because I know it's going to pay for itself in the first year. Traffic tickets are not fun to deal with and they can get expensive really fast. If you want to check out the UNIDEN R8, I'll leave a link in the description. Now before we get started, do me a big favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out a ton. Thank you. A lot of newer cars have a plastic cover behind the mirror. It generally pops off easily so that you can access the wire harness that connects to your rearview mirror. In our case, we only have 3 wires, so it was easy to find the power and ground cables by process of elimination. If that doesn't work, you can always use a multimeter to find the ground and 12-volt cables. We're going to be using this universal mirror tab kit. They make connectors for most brands and models. I'll leave a link for this in the description as well. If the larger pins don't fit into your wire connector, you can use the pin reducers that come with the kit. The black pin pairs with the ground cable, and the red pin pairs with the 12-volt power cable. I ran into an issue where both pins didn't fit properly. The large ones wouldn't go in and the small ones would fall out. So what I had to do is open the connector using a pick tool. The smaller pins now fit securely once I close the connector back up. And I almost broke my radar detector here. Careful when testing it. Alright, plug the connector back into the mirror and pull the pins to make sure they're secure. We'll add a couple of zip ties to secure the cables to the original wiring harness. Let's check for loose cables again. Okay, let's figure out where we want to place the unit. Right under the rear view mirror is nice, but it's also easier to spot by other drivers from the outside. I like putting mine in the upper section of the windshield, which is slightly tinted. So it hides the radar detector a bit and is way less noticeable from the outside. If your sun visor is getting in the way, you can simply adjust it. Make sure the top buttons are still accessible. The R8 has the mute dim button at the front of the unit. Much more convenient since that's the button that I use the most. Alright, so there you have it. I think the R8 is worth the upgrade. The mirror power tap install looks really clean with minimal cables showing. Whether you place it near the sun visor or under the rearview mirror, it's going to look great and work perfectly.
We've linked all the tools and products used in this video in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Stay safe out there.